Hey folks, Danny here at Partay. So I wanted to check in and then give everybody an update because I know I've been offline for a couple of days, and the last time that I came out, I'd said we were going to open the bins on Wednesday. It's been a complete fire drill. This is all really Crow's fault. Um, I'm just kidding, Crow. It's the fault of California. It's not really the fault, but it's because of California. It's the California Consumer Privacy Act that all of this surrounds. So there's a lot of work going on to try to put up our systems so that those systems are able to accommodate folks who decide that they want to have their data removed from systems, across different organizations. So uh, it's all important because I think a lot of the work that is supposedly supposed to have happened before now, because this has been known for, I guess, a couple of years that it was on the docket and then it passed. But nothing's actually went on, and running out of runway, we got to get this stuff stood up. So apologies, but that is my bread and butter. So at the same time, I have to say, look, that's always going to come first, especially now. Right now, it's just going to be me and Kelly. See, if you remember about a year and a half ago, we had a crew, and that was a crew of my sons, my brother-in-law Jason, and we had a couple of young men that helped us. One of those young men have sadly passed now, young guy. But anyway, now it's just Kelly and I that'll be doing this on a routine schedule. So we got together last night. I worked all day yesterday and we were half out of it. But we decided that we're going to open the bins because my thing was I wanted to open the bins Monday. And then I said, well, okay, we'll throw a buffer in because we're still not through. We're wrapping up some things. We've got a lot of debugging to do. So maybe Wednesday. And my wife, Kelly, said, look, let's just make it Friday, give you plenty of buffer time because there are a couple of things that we want to do. We were thinking about changing out the containers. I've got containers here that I've had in storage since, we shut down before or during COVID. But we were thinking about changing out our containers, so that'd give us a little bit of time to do that. Plus, I'm wrapping up. There was one of our logos that I didn't have trademarked, so I'm actually fulfilling that in the interim as well. But there was also something else that, gotta love my wife, that brought up that I'd completely forgotten, and that's that we need to talk about application. It's not a big deal, but I do need to actually have a video upload about application. So I did a video upload, not an upload, excuse me. I did a video a couple of days ago, just kind of here and there. I'd set it up on the kitchen table and was doing the application, and I'd come back and, after it dried a coat, to show you how to do the next. The problem is that I did it where I was just kind of splashing the stuff down on the screen, and I don't want to do it that way. I want to do it with a roller pan so that we can show people how this needs to be done, not just kind of how to redneck it. I mean, I do this so much with panels that I don't think about it. And then I got to thinking, well, you're going to have people who've never really done this or don't do this on a routine basis. So we want to make sure that we get the right information out there and show you how to do it correctly. That'll be coming. So here's the plan. There won't be any more pushes next Friday, this upcoming Friday. Today's Sunday. This upcoming Friday, the bins will open, period. Okay? No matter what's going on, they're going to open. So you have my word on that. They are going to open then. And all I would ask is that if something comes up, that folks just be patient. But in the interim, we're also going to do something else. I've pre-selected 3 subscribers that we're going to send a sample of this to for them to do a review. And so hopefully that information will hit right around or just after the bins open. So that way, if you're looking for, some review type content out there, there'll be at least 3 on 3 different products that you guys can take a look at. So with that, I'll let you guys go, other than just to say this. And I hate to bring up the bird thing again because I really haven't watched. I hadn't had time to watch over the course of the week, other than I think it was last Monday or Tuesday. But you have to wonder, okay? You have to wonder why someone who supposedly beats every screen made out there is so worried about another paint mixer. I mean, you really got to wonder about that, right? why they're so concerned about another paint mixer whenever they can supposedly beat every manufactured screen out there on the market. So to that point, I'm going to let this serve as a reminder. I'm going to put a couple of links in the description here. And I highly suggest that everyone who sees this, if you haven't seen those videos, that you watch them. One is a walkthrough of Screen Innovations. It was done by that theater dude, that home theater dude, I think. That was where they walked him through, showed their operations, like a 77,000 square foot operation, and shows you what a professional operation looks like. Okay, none of us are at that level, but Mr. Bird would have you believe that that's the level of technology he's got. But you look at not only the size of this operation, the accuracy and machinery of this operation, and the excellence that they can bring compared to what Slotmeister over there is talking about. And the second one is it's, I guess you could call it a review, but it's not really so much of a review, just a display. But it's an individual who has the 1.4 gain Black Diamond in a very high light environment, probably anywhere between 30 to 35 foot candles, which would be 300 to 350 lux. And you look at that environment, you look at that screen, and then you ask yourself, when you look at this channel, if it doesn't become supremely obvious to you that there's a big disparity between those two environments. And also remind yourself that the person who's doing that display, okay, in that video is only using a 2500 lumen projector, not a 5000 lumen projector, but only a 2500 lumen projector. And then, Ken, explain to us how your crap is better than that screen. Okay, there's no way. So we all know that, but I'm just saying, just to throw it in front of your face, Ken, look at that video and then look at yours. Look at your dark, dim cave that you show all your stuff in. And then look what that guy's doing. And tell me, can you do that? And the answer is not no, but hell no. So you guys take care. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.